Good. Are you ready?
To play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn, play and learn. We are here to play and learn, have fun together.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to yet another exciting episode of
Play and learn, hooray!
In today's episode, we are going to discuss or talk about nature art. In nature art, we use items in nature like the leaves, we have flowers. We can also use stones and other things, all from nature, to make an artwork. So join us in the class with...
My name is Aljana Dikamel.
Next.
My name is Hara Achalewo.
Next.
My name is Afisha Iduraman.
And
Abdul Aziz Mega High.
as we create our artworks in the class today. Let's go. So, for today, we have our flowers, our leaves, we have some glue, color pencils, as well as our paint brushes and paint. So what we are going to do is first, we take our pencils. We can either do it in the landscape or portrait. I want to do mine in the landscape. You can choose to do yours in the portrait. We first try to trace out the stem. You know how the stem is, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And if you want, you design it nicely with your pencil first. So trace out your stem. I would want to have landscape around it, like a grassy area, which I'll use this for later. How is the stem coming out? So we are going to trace the outline of our stem this way, make any design that we want on it. Then, after, we can either glue this part and use the leaves for that, or we can start with the bottom part. Whichever way that we want to go, we can go that way. But the ultimate goal is to have a tree at the end of the day. So after tracing the outline, we can take our leaves. You grab one, any one at all. We are going to take the leaves off this way. Take your time. Take your time. Then when you are ready to glue them, then you glue it together all at once. So when you take one off this way, you put it aside this way. You take your glue. You can shake it for it to come quickly this way. Be gentle with the glue. If you take too much of the glue, your work will be soggy. Then you start pasting this way. It's your own artwork, so you own it as you deem fit. But make sure you are gentle with the glue. If not, it will be very soggy. And if you use too little glue too, it won't be able to stick. Not too much, not too little. As gentle as possible. So you do it in bits. Hira, what's it? Your leaf is on the floor. You take another one. There are more leaves available. So you decorate as you deem fit. You can paste first. When you finish, then you decorate, or as and when you decorate along the line. the glue. Press, press. Okay. The boys, if you are not using the glue, can I kindly have yours? It's already open, so gently. So as I wait, I'll just go ahead with the decoration that I want to do for my leaf. I can have as many artificial flowers drawn as possible. It's my artwork, I own it. So you at home joining us for this particular episode, we hope you are also having fun trying to indulge in your nature art. You have access to the flowers as well. You can either shape them up using the scissors and paste them on your art piece. This way. It's your own artwork, so however you deem it, you decorate and we go. Nature art is what we are doing today. We are trying to make a tree using leaves, flowers, and dry leaves. We have fresh leaves as well as dry leaves. Then we have some flowers as well. And we'll paint the stem when we are done. Since it's your own artwork, you own it, you have the rights to it, and you do with it as you deem fit. Be generous with the glue. You turn it upside down. Then you shake. If it's coming, then you press this way. There's one here. Sorry. We have access to different types and types of leaves as well as flowers. So as we deem fit, we'll decorate our tree. You want? There's one here. You're welcome. So, nature art today, we are decorating our tree, making it as beautiful as we can. Here you go. I have many artists in my class, and we are making the best of what we have. This one is too big. Take from them. Ask them for the smaller ones. So I'll start painting my stem. And I believe it's turning out well. You at home, you be our judge. Are enjoying their artwork, right? And I like what I'm seeing. So far, so good. If you want to change from one color to the other, you wash it, then you go ahead, dip it in the next color, and you design it as you deem fit. We'll go ahead and put the fragments of leaves on the bottom this way. With the aid of my brush, I'll just try to spread it out so that it's evenly dispersed, making sure that I don't make my brush dirty since I'm going to use it again to paint. So after putting my dried leaves, I'll press onto it so that it's able to stick properly. I still think my tree is lacking color. It's big, so it needs more color. Thank you. We hope you are able to follow through and bring out the best in your artwork. Today we are doing nature art, trying to make a tree out of our leaves with our paint and some flowers as well. We picked all these things from nature with the exception of the paint that we have. So we are working on our art pieces. Each artist has their own idea of what they want and they are working towards it. So as you are working, you are trying to clear your working area so that at the end of the day, you don't have much to do. These are the same materials that we are using, so we don't want to be in short of them.
Play and learn, play and learn, it's time to play and learn. Play and learn, it's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn, play and learn. We are here to play and learn, have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun, so much fun. Play and learn is so much fun, let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before you say Bismillah, Alhamdulillah.
The floor.
Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn, play and learn. We are here to play and learn, have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun, so much fun. Play and learn is so much fun, let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before you say Bismillah, Alhamdulillah.
Try to draw.
Play and learn,
What can I draw?
play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn, play and learn, play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn, play and learn. We are here to play and learn, have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun, so much fun. Play and learn is so much fun, let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before you say Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn, play and learn. We are here to play and learn, have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun.
So we are almost out of time. We have only 6 minutes to finish whatever we've started. So we would want to quickly start something. No, you first put the glue before the leaves. Abdulaziz, is the glue before the leaves? It's the glue before the leaves.
Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn, play and learn. We are here to play and learn, have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun, so much fun. Play and learn is so much fun. Let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah.
Bring out a masterpiece. You need to be focused. You need to first think of what you want to do, then you go ahead and do it. You don't start the artwork before you think, oh, this would make it very beautiful, before you add on. There are some cases you can do that, but in most cases you should have something in mind you want to do before you start your masterpiece. Your tree looks more like a Ghana tree. It has the colors of the Ghana flag. So what are the colors of the Ghana flag? Red, yellow, black star, and green. So at the end of the day, you should have your own masterpiece that you know that, hey, this one, dear, I've done really well, and everyone is going to be proud of my work. So I need to add a few leaves to mine because my tree looks like a hungry tree. It's lacking some leaves. So I'll add on a few.
Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun, so much fun. Play and learn is so much fun. Let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before you say Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun, so much fun. Play and learn is so much fun. Let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before you say Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun, so much fun. Play and learn is so much fun. Let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before you say Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun, so much fun. Play and learn is so much fun. Let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before you say Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Play and learn. Play and learn. It's It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun. So much fun. Play and learn is so much fun. Let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before you say Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Have fun together. For play and learn is so much fun. So much fun. Play and learn is so much fun. Let's learn together. Before you say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Before you say Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. Play and learn, play.
So as we can all see on the table, we have beautiful art pieces from each of our students. And the famous Ghana flag artwork. All too soon, this is all that time will allow us for today and the masterpiece itself. Yeah, this is all that time allowed us to do for today. Inshallah, you join us again next week for another exciting episode of Play and Learn. Assalamu alaikum.
Play and learn, play and learn. It's time to play and learn. Play and learn. It's time to play and learn. We are here to play and learn. Play and learn. We are